We're going to do independent practice part 1, number 1 through 5 on page 639. Let's start with the first one. It's 2 plus y is less than or equal to 3. I would like to get rid of this 2, so I just have y. It's a positive 2, so I'm going to subtract 2 from each side. When I do that, those cancel, so I get y is less than or equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. So let me go 0, 1, 2, 3. I made a little graph here, and it's equal to or less than 1. So I'm going to put a solid dot at 1, and y is less than, so it's going this way. Number 2, w minus 1 is less than 4. I want to get rid of that 1, so I do the opposite. I add 1 to each side. W is less than 4 plus 1 is 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 points on my line. And it's 5. It's not equal to, it's just less than. So I circle 5 and I go less than all the way that way. Okay. Now this one is a multiplication. 7 times x is greater than 56. I want to get this x all by itself, so instead of times 7, I divide it by 7. That leaves me with x is greater than 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I got some points here. X is greater than 8. Do a circle around the 8. An open dot, not a closed. And it's going greater than 8, so I go this way. Okay. Now, number 4. D divided by 3 is less than or equal to 2. So I want to times by 3 each side. 2 times 3. Okay, those cancel each other, so it leaves me with D is less than or equal to 2 times 3 is 6. So let's do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got some points on a number line. D is less than or equal to 6. So because it's equal, I put a solid dot there, and I want to go less than, so I go this way. Okay? Now let's do one word problem, and then we'll be all set for this first part. Okay, a company charges 10 cents for each letter engraved. Bobby plans to spend no more than 5. Okay, so he'd be okay spending 5. But he would like to spend less than or equal to $5. So no more than that for the engraving on a jewelry box. Write and solve an inequality to find the maximum number of letters he can have engraved. So it's going to be x is the number of letters, and for each letter it costs 10 cents. So 10 cents times x is less than or equal to 5. So let's solve for x. X, 0.10, $5. We want to get rid of that 0.10, so we're going to divide each side by 0.10. That leaves me with x is less than or equal to, and then I do that on a calculator, and 5.00 divided by 0.10 cents on my calculator, it gets me 50. So x is less than or equal to 50. So the most letters he could do would be 50 letters. He could do 50 letters, and that would still be $5. But if he does less letters, it's going to be less than $5. So, okay.